In 2021, what's the difference from the game back in '94 compared to now?
Cheap.
You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team. You hear me? Damn! You seen that? Boy, I ain't gonna lie, boy, that bitch that movie. Yeah. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say. So if it's a beautiful day, why not go out and chase your goals? Why not go out and chase your dreams? Why not go out and work on yourself, you hear me? Y'all already know we got the same 24, you hear me? So we gotta get up out there and get it, man. Believe it or not, fam, 24 hours is not a lot, you understand me? So you gotta take advantage of the time, you feel me? You gotta take advantage of the time. Don't waste no time. Time is precious, you understand me? Time is money, you understand me? You most definitely gotta respect time, man. Respect time. Cause time ain't forever, you understand me? Like Tupac mama said on Poetic Justice. Time ain't forever, you feel me? So most definitely gotta respect time, you understand me? But yeah, fam, you just gotta put in that work, you know what I mean? And good things will come, gotta grind for it. Appreciate y'all for tuning in today, man. Today, we on our way down south with it, man. Got a call on a clean dunk that we gotta go check out, man, and bring that footage to the channel for the family, for the DPF, you understand me? A clean one. They sent me some pictures. They ain't too clean, you hear me? So we on our way down south to go check this out. Although it's raining, you feel me? Look at the rain. Look at the weather, man. Y'all see the weather? The weather is terrible down here, man. It's raining cats and dogs, you understand me? It's raining cats and dogs. But it's all good though, you feel me? Because we above ground, so it's a beautiful day regardless, you feel me? Regardless of what the weather is, we above ground, so it's a beautiful day. Like I said, fam, appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, and turn on the notifications because we do post content often. And on top of that, we doing a Donk giveaway. It's the Donk Planet Donk giveaway. We're giving away a Donk. 1973 two-door hardtop that we're giving away. Never has a Donk been given away before. We're giving this Donk away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. For a chance to win this Donk, all you have to do, subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube channel, click the bell, select all, and turn on the post notifications. Post notifications must be turned on because part of the requirements is watching and commenting on videos on Donk Planet YouTube channel. So post notifications must be turned on so you can know when we post new videos so you can go watch and comment on them. Also, you must spread the word and tell everybody you know that like Donks about the Donk Planet Donk giveaway. That's the rules for entering the giveaway. Don't just subscribe and disappear thinking that you're going to win a Donk because it's not going to happen. You have to participate on the Donk Planet YouTube channel, meaning you have to watch videos and comment on videos. No, you don't have to comment on every single video, but you have to watch and comment on videos. It is very important. The Donk Planet Donk giveaway. Fan, that was the giveaway ad, man. Y'all see it, man. Follow what the ad says, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win a solid starter Donk. You hear me? 1973 to 7 tray, you feel me? One of the most sought after years in the Donk game. We giving it away. Follow what the ad says, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win. But wait, there's more. You feel me? If you haven't heard, we partner with Forgiato And we giving away a set of 26-inch wheels with this giveaway car. With this giveaway Donk, we're giving away a set of 26-inch 4G Auto wheels, you understand me? That's a deal, you understand me? Cut the cost of having to buy the car, cut the cost of having to buy wheels, you feel me? You could use the money towards, you know what I'm saying, the exterior, the interior, drivetrain, all that, suspension, you know what I'm saying? You just cut the cost of having to buy the car and cut the cost of having to buy wheels, you feel me? It's a deal, you feel me? A deal. Real talk, man. I wish I could win, man. But yeah, follow what the ad says, and you'll be entered in to win the car and the 4G Auto wheels. We 5 days away from Donk Day, man. 5 days away. That's around the corner, you understand me? Right around the corner, Donk Day going down July 17th, Dover, Florida, which is basically the Tampa area, you understand me? I hope the whole DPF is in the building. If y'all can't make it, I understand. But you feel me? It's gonna be a movie. I can't wait. I'm excited. You feel me? It's going down 5 days away. I can't believe Donk Day is upon us. You understand me? We didn't have a Donk Day last year due to the pandemic, but this year we were able to, you feel me, plan a Donk Day, and it's going down in 5 days. Now I'm saying the 6th annual Donk Day. You feel me? Shout out to the Mesman and Dover law firm. You feel me? Shout out to 4G Auto. Shout out to Coast to Coast. Shout out to Monty Ford. Shout out to Bell Brakes. Shout out to Interstate 75 Mob. Shout out to Wheel Paradise. Shout out to Audio Legion. Am I forgetting anybody? I think I got everybody. Well, hopefully I got everybody. I'm not perfect, but hopefully I got everybody, man. Shout out to all y'all, man. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the supporters. But it's going down July 17th in Dover, Florida. You understand me? It's going down and it's coming soon. You understand me? But anyway, fam, it's raining out here. We on our way to go check out this Donk. You feel me? We about to focus on this road. Let go. All right, fam, we made it, man. Y'all see behind me, man, we got the clean 7 tray. When I say clean, I mean clean. I mean crispy clean. You feel me? Take a walk around real quick. 7 tray Vert, super duper clean. You hear me? Super duper clean. But when I say clean, I'm talking about clean. Jesus. 7 tray Vert coming soon. I mean, I can't really even say coming soon. To me, it's already there. I think he just say he's finna put some feet on it or whatnot. But this car right here is owned by the homie, none other than First Class. First Class, what's good, man? What's going on, man? Talk to us about this car, bruh.
Ain't much to say. Speak for itself.
But I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This car is crispy, man. Crispy. How long you had this car? A month? That what's up, man. That what's up. You plan on doing anything to it? A little something? Rims top? Okay. Man, how'd you find something this clean, bruh?
Oh, my boy at Magic City Classic.
Magic City?
Yeah, check out Magic City Classic for all your clean burnt.
Yeah.
Check them out.
This your first Donk?
Nah,
Fourth? Wow. This one is clean, man. This is clean. What year was it when you had your first Donk? 94? Yeah. Wow, so you been in the game for a minute.
Yeah, 30s and lows, baby.
30s and lows back then?
30s and lows.
That was up, man. That was up. And what made you just get back in the game just now?
They want to do no more projects, want just like this.
I feel you, boy. Yeah, you got you. This one here is beautiful. It's immaculate. Y'all see what's going on, fam. Where you repping from? Where you from?
Richmond Heights, baby.
Richmond Heights, man. First Class out of Richmond Heights with the clean 7 tray. Oh my God. Fam, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the interior here? It's the cream on the outside, some type of creamish yellow with the green interior. Got the green carpet down there. Everything nice. Everything nice. Oh yes, sir. The trunk immaculate. Got the old jack. Spare tire. So you gonna put some 6s on it. Family, if this was your car, what kind of upgrades would you do to it? Drop it in the comments, let me know. Yes, sir. This thing is too clean, boy. Soundtrack Vert. See the engine, crispy engine. This thing here illin', boy. I ain't just gonna lie to you. This thing illin'. It's always good to start with a clean car. It's always good to start with a clean car, bruh. Jeez. And he got the Steel Willie pin in there. Shout out my dog Steel Willie. Y'all see the pin. For anybody out there that don't know what the pin is, it's a locking mechanism. It's an anti-theft device created by the homie Steel Willie. That's my dog, man. I've been knowing Steel Willie for a minute. Y'all see him, man. Still got the stickers over here. This is a real clean 7 tray. Y'all go in on the drop them comments, man. Got the hubcaps on there, crispy. Hey, First Class, man, tell us something, man. I know you said that you was in the game since '94. Right now we in 2021. What's the difference from the game back in '94 compared to now?
Cheap.
Cheaper?
That's all I can say. It was cheap.
Hey, you ain't lying, boy. It was definitely cheaper back then, boy. The price you probably we ain't gonna ask you all that. I know that's private, but the price you probably paid for this. What you could have probably got for a car like this? What you would have probably paid for a car like this back then?
What I would got?
No, what you would have like back then? Like how much you could have got a car like this for back then in '94?
I could have got about 10, 15 of these.
Yeah.
Back in '94.
Yeah.
Shit.
For real, boy. You ain't lying, boy. The prices done definitely went up these days. It's crazy.
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. But yeah, man, we appreciate you bringing this 7 tray out and showing us, man. For anybody out there that want to get in the dunk game, you got any advice for them?
All I can say is, if that's what you want, go for it.
If that's what you want, go for it.
All I can say.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up, man. Definitely, man. We appreciate you bringing her out for us, man. We had to check it out, man. The thing. You got a name for this car yet or what?
Nah, I ain't know.
He ain't named it yet. All right, cool. But yeah, fam, y'all see it, man. Clean 7 tray, man. Ooh. And if you had to name this car, what name would you give her? Drop the names in the comments. Let me know. This thing here super clean. 7 tray Vert. One of the most sought after years in the dunk game. Believe that. Y'all see it, fam. 7 tray drop the top. One of the most sought after years in the dunk game. 7 tray. Y'all can see that thing, boy. That thing dropped down crispy, no pressure. Yes, sir. Got the 7 tray. Y'all see the convertible frame, convertible rack back there. Y'all see we got the booth. That's the booth. The booth, you take the booth, for those who don't know, you take the booth and you put it to cover the convertible rack, make it look even prettier than it already look right now. But y'all see it, man. Shout out to First Class, man. He got a crispy sell and tray, man. That boy got him a hit, boy. He on the way. Oh, yes, sir. I can't wait to see when he put them feet on there. You got the feet already for this?
No, I did, but you're just
Okay, okay, definitely. Y'all see it, man. Y'all drop them comments about this one, fam. Ooh, clean, boy, clean, yeah? Presidential, I'm telling you. Selling trade Vert and palm trees, man. Donks and palm trees. Y'all see the palm trees in the background, man. That boy sliding, though. I ain't even gonna lie. Yo! That boy, he sliding. Yes, sir. Fam. It's hot out there, man. I had to get in the car, man. Get away from that heat. But, hey. Y'all go ahead on and drop the comments for First Class, man. That boy coming through with a clean sell and trade Vert, man. I can't wait to see the feet that he put on there, man. Y'all drop the comments for him, man. Beautiful car. He said he don't have a name for it, man. If that was your car, what would you name it, man? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. You feel me? Also, remember that Donk Day going down July 17 in Dover, Florida. We currently 5 days away from Donk Day, you feel me? Going down to Dover, Florida, which is basically the Tampa area. You understand me? All custom cars are welcome to come out and celebrate. Gates open at 12 p.m. Gates open at 12 p.m. You feel me? Make sure you're there early. Make sure you get there early, because at a certain time, them people will be closing the gate. And once they close the gate, there's nothing I can do. Whether you call me or not, you call me at the gate, talking about some get you in, is out of my hands once some people close the gate. You understand me? So get there early. I understand that some people like to come in like, an event could start at 12 and y'all want to come at 4 with 5 and 6. Don't wait. I'm telling y'all right now, do not wait that long to show up, because them people will be closing the gate. So make sure you get there early so you don't get locked outside. You understand me? Also, fam, make sure you subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube for that solid starter donk. You feel me? Because we are giving away a solid starter donk when we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. But wait, there's more. We partnered with 4G Auto, and we giving away a set of 26-inch 4G Auto wheels with the giveaway donk. You feel me? All that, you understand me? When we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. But yeah, fam, y'all know what's going on, man. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Donk Planet live behind the scenes. Y'all hear me?